this is Mo. Welcome back to Dallas Real Creative Life Studios. It has been, again, a little while till we have last met. For our Facebook friends, we have been, delivering content in other platforms because I wanted to try out something new and creative. But I realized this last week when I was traveling through the airport that I miss doing this, Today's short video, I don't want to call it a vlog because it's not going to continue sometimes here and there when I feel like sharing something that is important, we'll come back and do it. On the other hand, we have podcasts in production that are going to be coming over. Those are going to be in different platforms. I'll let you guys know. But this weekend, when I was traveling through the airport, I realized that a lot of people stress out and have trouble passing through security and how stressful it can be for anybody who's traveling. So wanted to share a little bit because it was a good experience for me at least, and enjoyed it. Welcome back to Dallas Real Creative Life Studios.
Bye, Corey. What's up, guys? It is 5:10. I'm a little late for the airport. We're flying off to Minnesota today. Yes. E18. Thank you. When you wanted to see my eyes, I said a little romantic for like first couple of seconds and then. I think it's the same thing, whichever way you want to go. I think this one is going to be quicker. You can go. You sure? Yeah. Minneapolis.
Minneapolis, are you really?
Yeah, which way are you heading?
I'm headed South Bend, so I'm a little farther. So a little west, a little east of Chicago.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, I mean, man, I'm just excited today. I don't know why. It was a huge week. I work a lot.
Yeah.
Like
from Texas to Minneapolis.
Yeah, like it's a completely different vibe. I have not been to that state yet.
No.
No.
Well, good thing it's now, because it was winter time. It was way too cold.
Yeah. That's why I chose like this time. I'm a southern kind of guy, so
yeah, right.
Cannot do the cold thing up there.
No, yeah, this is a good time. This is a good time. When we left South Bend, it was like 88, so we're still not 108 or 118, but it's still pretty warm.
What brings you here? Work?
Yeah.
No español, poquito.
Mi vuelo está por salir, sale a las 6, 7. ¿Me dan chance de pasar?
Yes, yes.
It'll be good. I'm home now, head to North Carolina today.
I love that state, North Carolina and South Carolina. I just absolutely love that state for some reason. I get along with the people.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Wilmington, I went to surf. The surf breaks are not that big, but it was okay. But I just connected with the people down there in Wilmington, North Carolina.
It's nice.
It's nice. People are nice. The weather looks a little bit southern, but it's not really.
Right, you get snow there. Right? You gotta watch out a little bit.
Hello. There we go.
So far, I like Dallas.
Great city. I went to school, only did Kentucky, it's like 45 minutes away from Nashville.
Yeah, that's close.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of the other place I like. It's not like it's not like Dallas or Nashville.
Gulf Shores, Alabama, okay. We're finally out of security. I'm looking for E18. Let's go. Grab a coffee. Again, should grab a coffee. A cold coffee, what would you recommend? Maybe would you have any recommendation for me? Let's just make like a normal coffee, a small coffee. Hot coffee? Yeah, hot coffee, that's good. Been this for so long. Man, I have to be honest with you, I've really missed vlogging. For sure. Yeah, I really missed telling stories. So we're back again. By the way, we have our Dallas Real Studios ready to grow. So probably next week we're gonna start our podcast.
Flight 742 service to Minneapolis.
Traveling? Yay!
Almost 2.
Wow.
Say hi.
Best time of their lives, huh? 2.
Well, Sunday.
How old is that a he?
This is a girl.
7 months? Weeks. What? How are we shaking somebody 7 weeks? I'm like in charge of 7 weeks. I would not know what to do.
Back after 30.
What's that?
Back at 30.
Yeah, I mean, I'm like gracefully walking into loving it. I was like, this is super awesome. Like finally, me. Hello. Blessed, amazing, awesome, cool.
Wonderful.
I still have a couple of different words. But
Okay, keep going.
let's just say hello. Hi. Pete's. What a Pete's coffee. It's okay. Not bad to start with. we're now getting ready to take off from the runway. And as much as I wish I could show you guys, I can't. It's too much light outside. You know, when the aircraft takes off and you have this feeling in your stomach, usually I wanted to vlog that today. So I'm getting ready.
Folks, it's a relatively short line getting out of here. Sorry for the delay getting off the gable. The Coles Dude can get you guys to Minneapolis on time. Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
Till next time, love and peace. Dabbing it out. This is Mo from Dallas Real Creative Life Studio.